You have Hashimoto's disease, but nobody's treating it. That's the whole problem. And what most people don't realize is the pill that they're taking every day isn't treating Hashimoto's disease. Hashimoto's is an autoimmune condition. It's when your immune system is attacking your thyroid cells that make thyroid hormone. And levothyroxine and Synthroid, any thyroid medication, is only replacing the hormone that your thyroid is losing from the attack. But the sad thing is, it's not doing anything about the attack. It doesn't do anything for your thyroid either. So what's happening is your disease is going untreated. Year after year, you take the medication and you wonder to yourself, why am I getting worse? Because you're not treating the disease that's causing you the problems. You're only treating the symptoms with hormone replacement. Drop a comment. Do you have Hashimoto's disease? And do you feel like you're getting worse over time? There's no cure for Hashimoto's disease, but you can put it into remission. There's so much that you can do to get your life back from Hashimoto's disease. You don't have to suffer. Reach out to us. There's a free discovery call waiting for you in my bio if you're looking for solutions.